welcome back to the Vintage Brickery. I am Travis, and for today's build, we are going to be building another one from the Blacktron II series from 1991. It's set number 1479, another small one. It's only 22 parts. It does have two minifigures, but this is one of my favorite ones that I've discovered in all my parts that I had acquired. And here we go. We're gonna start with minifigures as always. Two of the same ones, just the regular Blacktron figure. Blacktron and the Unitron and the M-Trons. They all have the racing helmets. Unlike the classic space ones, have the ones that they all look like they have. If I can show you. They all have this little dent on here. Oops. Killed him. Anyway, they all have that little dent like it's supposed to have a visor, but they don't come with visors. They never did. But these do. These have the dent. They have the visor on. So these, of course, the Blacktron, heavy on the trans neon green. There we go. One. Oops, I gotta use a tank. You don't have any air if you didn't have any tank. There it is. There. Legos are the greatest hiders of anything. They can just hide under any piece. Aggravating sometimes. Looking. Oh, there it is. All right. And let's get over my instructions here. This is another one that I had built previously, but I'd had the wrong color of this piece. I had a dark gray one, so I didn't know what I was doing back then apparently. So this one here, I've learned a lot. Of course, back then I didn't know what I was doing really at all. Now I'm still learning. I'm still learning that I have some of the wrong parts on these things. Had to go through all my sets again, all the ones that I have not built, and make sure that they were all correct. And like I had 5 or 6 that had the wrong parts in them still. Just insane. It's like this will be the 3rd time I've gone through them. Finishes here. I go on this. Hone. See that or not? There's those hinges. Oops. Dang it. Come on, get away. Alright, it's like a twin control there, and they each get their own control. There we go. Finally got him. Alright. And there we go. Alright, well, that's alright. Remind everybody what it looked like before. Oh, gotta get these go like this first. Alright. Let everybody know what it looked like before. Alrighty, there we go. That was the 2 pilot craft from the Blacktron II series. I hope everybody enjoyed that build. If you did, like, subscribe, share, comment, and I'll see you in the next build.